I ordered a Vittles vault earlier this week, and I had two very curious cats about it. And this one, the first one, came with a big crack in the rim and a lid that looked used. There's some orange stains on it. And so I sent in a request for an exchange. This one arrived today. I don't see any cracks in the rim, that's great, but I open it up and I look inside and I don't know what that is. That's clearly not right. And then I cannot get the lid, for the life of me, I cannot get the lid back on. I've used Vittles vaults for years. I know what I'm doing, and this lid just does not want to sit right. And I've been sitting here for a few minutes trying to get it, and it's not smooth. It doesn't seem like it fits right. I am very perplexed as to what's going on with this company. We've had a Vittles vault for several years. That's been great. We just needed another one, and two in a row that are problematic, it's not acceptable.
I really wanted to like this product. We ordered this. First one came with a crack. I understand things happen. We asked for a replacement item to be sent, and I'm gonna return this. They were great. Amazon was good. The replacement item comes and also a crack. So I can't recommend this product. Sorry. I won't be buying this. I'll have to get something else, which is sad.
Keeps the food nice and fresh. Cat or dog can't get in. Nice airtight seal. Easy to pick up from any side. Perfect.
Got this, guys. Very sturdy. Holds my cat food, and it closes very well. Like, there's no seams or anything. No bugs are going to get into it. Very, very sturdy. Do recommend. Worth the money.